Hello everybody and welcome to our very first demonstration video on setting up an account, and today we are going to be looking at Facebook. So you can see from the screen in front of you that we are on Facebook already. So what we're going to do is we're going to log out really quickly just so I can show you the little form you have to fill in. So to sign up for Facebook, it's all you do is go to facebook.com, you enter your first name, surname, email address, re-enter your email or your mobile phone, and password, select your date of birth and then your gender, and you hit sign up. You get a verification link sent over and you are good to go with a profile. But the question I had coming into me was, okay, I know how to set up a profile, but how do I set up a page? So let's go take a look at this. So you can see when you come into your profile here, you're on your news feed. Down the left hand side you can see hit pages, and the first option is create a page. So let's click into create a page really quickly. And you're brought to this screen. You're brought to a number of options. You need to pick your what type of page you want this to be. So we have local, business or place, company or organization, brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment or cause or community. So today I'm going to set up a page for myself. So I'm going to hit artist, brand or public figure. Now I'm going to choose a category. Now for myself I'm going to choose a teacher in this case because we're talking about education. So what we're going to do here is, because I already have a profile set up under my name, I'm just going to call this one Daniel. So this because it won't allow me to duplicate the pages I run. So let's hit get started. Okay, and when we've done that, we have to tell people what our page is about. So we're going to put it in a little description. You can see we get 155 characters to do this up here. So this page is for the social media educator Daniel Byrne at the Shaw Academy. So we're going to go to that there. We're not going to leave a website. I don't have a website for myself. I don't have a personal website. And we can also pick a Facebook address. So if we want to select our own personal URL, so you can imagine for the likes of the Shaw Academy, it'd be facebook.com/Shaw Academy. But I'm going to leave this blank for myself. I'm going to leave this one free. I'm not going to take up a URL for someone, just for demonstrative purposes. So I'm going to hit save info there. Next, we're going to be prompted to add a profile picture. So you want to keep it a little bit related to your business. You don't want to be just picking pictures from anywhere. Probably a selfie isn't the best option unless you are a public figure. So you can upload it from your computer, or you can import it from a website. So I'm going to skip this one for now. I'm not going to add a picture of myself. And you can also pick where you want to access. So add pages to your favorites to make it easy to access anytime. So yeah, I think I will. So I'm going to add Daniel into my favorites, and we will see when we go back to my homepage that this will be down the left hand side. Next, I'm going to go to preferred page audience. So tell us a little bit about the people you'd like to connect with most. So who's actually going to target this? So we can put a location. We can put some age ranges in here, we can select a gender, and we can go in terms of interest. But I'm going to leave this for the minute too. For your own business, I definitely recommend filling out these 4 options as best as possible, just so you can get everything set up and you'll be as visible, and your profile will be definitely complete. So if I hit skip there, that's going to bring me into my page. So now we have to consider our options here. We need to see what we want to do. So we need to create a background. It's going to take me on a little tour as well. So it's going to prompt me to do a few things like, I'm going to skip that. And it's going to prompt you to post something as well. So definitely, if you haven't already, add in your profile picture, add in your background, put in a little bit more about yourself, add a website, create a photo album, and write something. Put out a bit of content. Just let people know you're ready to go. And you can see we have the business tools up top, and once you hit 30 followers we are going to get insights as well, as we mentioned during our Facebook lesson. But that's a really quick insight as to how to set up a page. You can see that we have Daniel Byrne up here. We have my other page, Daniel Byrne, that I have I set up during the class that I would have shown you previously, and we have now Daniel 2, which is just a similar page. But that is a really quick insight as how to set up a Facebook page for yourself. If anyone does have any questions, do feel free to get in touch with me at socialmedia.marketing@shawacademy.com. But until next time guys, I will see you in class.